You know, it's often said that membership has its privileges, and that's because membership usually does. At least with Couture it does. Our Club Couture members enjoy incredible benefits all year long, and I'm here to tell you about just one of the amazing offers available for subscribers in February. We're launching a brand new spring-summer product collection this month, and with that, we're offering up several brand new Chalk It Up kits that contain a variety of curated products our customers use most. They're an easy way to one-stop shop all the Chalk Couture must-haves, and they're 15% off for our Club Couture members this month. Now, if you're already in the club, we love you, and you're welcome. We hope you'll enjoy your special savings and your exclusive February club design. And if you aren't a member, what are you waiting for? Join this month to save on your favorite Chalk It Up kit, get a free copy of our brand new Spring-Summer catalog, flat rate shipping, and the list goes on and on. Talk to your designer about joining the absolute coolest club for creators today.